In credit repair, what's often talked about is just the successes, but I think it's just as important to understand what causes credit scores to go down. So for example, we have a client who this month we were able to delete two derogatory student loans, one worth $896 and the other worth $2,895. However, even with that success on the credit report, we saw a decrease in the score by 46 points on Equifax, 62 on TransUnion, and 41 points on Experian. And the reason for this was a large increase in the utilization of the credit cards on the report. So unfortunately, all of the credit cards were maxed out. And credit utilization is 30% of the credit score. So it's a really large factor that influences your credit. So even if you are seeing items deleted from your report, you want to remember the algorithm itself is 35% payment history. So it helps to get something deleted, but if you're increasing your credit utilization, that can be counterbalancing and it's counterproductive to your overall credit journey. The good news is once you pay those cards down and it reflects on your credit report, your scores are going to shoot up even higher than they were before you had those low balances because of the new information that was deleted from the report. So I just want to remind everyone, it's a balance and it's a journey. There's more than just payment history that makes up your credit score. If you're interested in learning a bit more about everything that influences your credit, follow. We do a lot of content on the credit repair process or just understanding the algorithms and how credit influences the lending process with a special focus on the mortgage side. And if you are interested in reviewing your report, find us online at insightstrategies.credit. That's INCITE strategies.credit.